Welcome all my dear friends in this GPAT 2022 ESIC, DI, RRB and MRB examination revision point of view. Today we are going to discuss about 5 important questions from the topic pharmaceutics pyrogens. The first question is water used in making parenteral solution is dash. Purified water, distilled water, apyrogenic distilled water, none of the above. So we have to think about the different types of water. So parenteral solution, so there are two different types of routes of administration. One is enteral and another one is parenteral. So parenteral means other than oral route, so it should be injected, so the dosage form should be free from pyrogen. Okay, so here purified water, distilled water, apyrogenic distilled water. Okay, I mean the distilled water should be free from pyrogen. So the correct answer will be apyrogenic distilled water. The next question is pyrogenic water causes increase in body temperature, increase the toxicity of the drug, microbial growth and none of the above. So pyrogen, it is the dead microorganism that might be raising our human body temperature. For example, if you have prepared one injection, that injection will be having pyrogenic substances, means it leads to increase in the body temperature. Okay, wow. So that is the correct answer, increase in body temperature. Increase the toxicity of the drug, then microbial growth, or also another options they have given, but the exact correct answer is increase in body temperature. Pyrogenic water causes increase in body temperature. Okay, then pyrogen testing is done to evaluate dash presence of microorganism, presence of pyrogen, isotonicity and none of the above. So the name itself they have mentioned in clear manner. Pyrogen testing is done to evaluate presence of pyrogen. Okay, so presence of microorganism, for the presence of specific types of microorganism some other test will be there. Okay, for isotonicity another test will be there. Okay, so pyrogen testing is done to evaluate the presence of pyrogen. So dear students, dear friends, these types of questions will be very easy and very important for all the competitive examination. This will be coming under parenteral route of administration, same as like parenteral route of administration. Ophthalmic preparation also most important. So the correct answer for this question is pyrogen testing is done to evaluate the presence of pyrogen. Okay, then the question number 4, which animal is used for pyrogen testing? Which animal is used for pyrogen testing? First option rabbit, second option rat, third option guinea pig and the fourth option monkey. Rabbit, rat, guinea pig and monkey. There are 4 different options they have mentioned clearly. We have to select the correct option. Which animal is used for pyrogen testing? Rabbit, rat, guinea pig and monkey. Dear friends, can you guess the answer for this question? Which animal is used for pyrogen testing? The correct answer is, what is the correct answer? That is rabbit. Okay, then the last and 5th question, pyrogen is dash endotoxin, exotoxin, suspension of microbes and none of the above. So first and foremost we have to know the meaning of endotoxin and exotoxin. Okay, so endotoxin, it is consisting of thermostable proteins. Okay, exotoxin, it is consisting of thermolabile proteins. So already we know that what is thermolabile and what is thermostable. If temperature will be applied means the product will be stable, that is called as thermostable. Thermolabile means it is affected. So the correct answer here is endotoxin. Pyrogen is a endotoxin. So dear friends, dear students and dear viewers, we are wishing you for brightful and successful future, and you all should be qualified in the all competitive examination in our pharmacy field. அருள் பேராற்றல் கருணையினால் உடல் நலம், நீள ஆயுள், நிறை செல்வம், உயர் புகழ், மெய்ஞானம் ஓங்கி வாழ்க. வாழ்க வளமுடன், வாழ்க வையகம். அருள் பேராற்றல் இரவும் பகலும் எல்லா இடங்களிலும் எல்லா தொழில்களிலும் எல்லா நேரங்களிலும் உறுதுணையாகவும் பாதுகாப்பாகவும் வழிநடத்துவதாகவும் அமையுமாக. வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ. தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். தேங்க்ஸ் எ லாட். நன்றி.